So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to solve this amazing exponential question, right? So first of all, if you pay attention to the question, what is the question? 3 raised to x into 5 raised to x cube equal to 15, right? This is one of the very interesting question and you will learn a lot from this video. So pay attention throughout the video, and during any part if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? So first of all, whenever you see this kind of question, first of all try to find out the natural numbers, right? If this kind of question asked in MCQs, then you can directly put different value instead of x here, right? 0, 1, -1, 2, -2. This way you can get directly answer. But if you want to find out the answer in complex form, then obviously you have to follow some methods, right, in order to solve the question. So first of all, if I use hit and trial method, which means if I put different value of x here and see for which value of x this equation satisfies, right? So first of all, if I put x equal to 0, then obviously 3 raised to 0 into 3, 5 raised to 0, right? Which means 1 into 1, I will get 1, but here I have 15, right? X equal to 0 can't be your answer. Now, if I put x equal to 1, then 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1, which means 3 into 5, 15, which is equal to 15. So x equal to 1, I can say, is our answer, right? It is our natural number. But now, again, if I want to find out the answer in complex form, right? If I want to see what will be the answer in complex number, then what we'll do? As I said, we have to follow some methods. We have to follow any method in order to solve the question. So, if I talk about that method from which we are going to solve this question, right? So, what will the method? Can you think of any method? So, here I have 3 raised to x, I will put as it is, right? Pay attention, into 5 raised to x cube as it is. Instead of 15, I will write 3 into 5, right? I can write 3 into 5 equal to 15. So now, one side of the equation I will write all the 3's, and one side of the equation I will write all the 5, which means I will write 3 raised to x. If I bring 3 here, any 5 as it is, and I will bring 5 raised to x cube here. Agree? So according to property of exponents, here I have 3 raised to x and here I have 3. So same base, so I can directly apply the property, right? It will become 3 raised to x minus 1. Same way it will become 5 raised to 1 minus x cube. Now I will do some arrangement in this equation, right, to make this equation easy, so that we can solve this question very easily. So again 3 raised to x minus 1 as it is. 5 raised to, I will take minus common from the equation, then it will become x cube plus 1. Agree? So again 3 raised to x minus 1, which is equal to 5 raised to minus, I can write x cube minus 1 as, sorry, to here I will get x cube minus 1, right, because minus minus will become plus. So x cube minus 1 I will write, instead of x cube minus 1, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, right? I hope you know the formula of a cube minus b cube. It will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus 1, right? So now both the side I have x minus 1, so I can directly get cancelled out x minus 1 from both the side, right? So 5 minus x square plus x plus 1 equal to 3, right? Now here I have minus, so if I want to remove the minus sign in exponents, then I will multiply by minus 1 both the side in the power, right? So it will become plus x square plus x plus 1, and here I will get 3 raised to minus 1, right? I have multiplied both the side by minus 1 in the power. Now next what? So here I have x square plus x plus 1, and I have to find out the value of x. So I have said many times, if you have watched my previous videos, that whenever you have to find any number which is in power, then obviously you will take help of logarithm in those questions, right? So I will take logarithm here. So what will happen if I take logarithm both the side, right? Power will come here, x square plus x plus 1 into ln 5, which is equal to minus will come here, minus ln 3. Agree? So now what will happen? If I multiply ln 5 with this whole equation, ln 5 into x square plus ln 5 into x plus ln 5, and if I bring minus ln 3 left hand side, then it will become plus ln 3, which is equal to 0, right? Now it has become second order quadratic equation, and I hope all of you know how to solve second order quadratic equation, which is very simple, right? So x equal to, I will write minus b, which will be minus ln 5 plus or minus under root b square, which means ln 5 square, minus 4 into a ln 5 into c ln 5 plus ln 3 divided by 2a, which means 2 ln 5. I hope you know this much, right? Which is very simple. So now we have to see how do we solve this kind of equations, right? So first of all, if I find out whether b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or less than 0. If it is greater than 0, then I will get real values. But if it is less than 0, then I will get imaginary value as our answer. So first of all, if I solve this, right? ln 5 whole square minus 4 ln 5 into ln 5 plus ln 3, right? So if I solve this, that ln 5 square as it is minus, if I multiply ln 5 with ln 5, then it will become minus 4 ln 5 square minus 4 ln 5 into ln 3. So now if you pay attention here, here I have ln 5 whole square minus 4 ln 5 square, right? So overall it will become minus 3. If I write here, right, answer of this, it will be minus 3 ln 5 whole square minus 4 ln 5 into ln 3. Now, if you find out the answer of this equation, then it will be less than 0, right? Because both the side I have negative. It will be always positive, and both of this value will be also very positive, right? So overall answer will be less than 0, which means if I write this down under root, then it will be imaginary value, right? So b square minus 4ac will be less than 0, which means I will get, as I said earlier, I will get imaginary value as our answer, right? So if I write down this instead of this, then what will happen? Minus ln 5 plus or minus under root minus 3 ln 5 whole square minus 4 ln 5 into ln 3 divided by 2 ln 5, right? Now if I solve this equation further, then minus ln 5 divided by 2 ln 5, it will be minus 1 by 2, right? Because ln 5 will get cancelled out, right? Plus or minus under root this whole term as it is minus 3 ln 5 whole square minus 4 ln 5 into ln 3 divided by 2 ln 5, right? This will be our final answer. And if you want to take ln 5 common from this part, right, then also you can do that. But for simplicity, we have written like this. So this will be our final answer in the complex form, right? And if you want to take minus common, right, then this will be imaginary. If I rewrite this, then minus 1 by 2 plus or minus. Now if I take ln 5 common from this part, ln 5, what will remain? 3 ln 5 plus 4 ln 3 into iota divided by 2 ln 5. Why I have written this iota? Because I have taken minus sign common from this whole equation, right? So under root minus 1 equal to iota. Then I will take ln 5 common. It will become 3 ln 5 plus 4 ln 3, right? Divided by 2 ln 5. This will be our final answer, right? As I said, this is very complicated and very conceptual question. So I hope you got it. And I normally say whenever you have any question, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. So thank you so much for watching this video.